Hey guys, thanks for having me again. For today's video, we're gonna make a quick dish for quick meal. Another pork recipe you can do in just 30 minutes. Good for casual eating or paired with beer. Let's begin. Let's start by fan-frying the pork ribs. We will let them cook in heat until the browning on the surface of meat generate. Then we will add 2 tablespoons of garlic followed by onions shortly. This is the foundation of all cooking. They add sweetness, sharpness, and savory depths to every dish. After that, to tenderize the meat, we will add some rice wine. It will also help to eliminate the off smell of meat and will act as a natural preservative like vinegar. Rice wine also helps improve the aroma and contributes a bit of sweetness to the food. So you better have this in your kitchen. Then for the salty base, we will add half a cup of soy sauce. It contains antioxidants and probiotics from the fermentation process, which can support digestion and provide cellular protection against free radicals. Add bay leaves for aroma. Stir the dish constantly to prevent it from sticking to pan, and you can smell the umami of the dish at this moment. Put a cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes. As of now, the liquid has reduced and the flavor is already penetrated on the meat. Continue stirring to prevent sticking to the pan. Now add the asparagus. I put the lower part first because some of this is hard and longer to cook. Add a little sugar to balance the saltiness. Check if the meat is already tender. If not, then add more water and continue to simmer for another couple minutes. The meat is tender by now. We can now add the asparagus head. Stir for a couple of times and we're ready to go. You can now enjoy the umami and savoriness of the pork ribs. Thank you so much for having me again. I hope you can join me next time for another quick recipe. Don't forget to like and share. See you guys.